Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
He did.
It's foreign. They're like vicious. Shots fired. I had to destroy one of the dogs.
On March 11th, 2024, officers responded to a dog attack at a residential complex. The incident raises 4 distinct legal issues worth examining.
No, we ain't gonna taser ain't gonna do anything to him.
All right.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
He did. Call AR.
Just been one of the officers. They see like 4 dogs. Start animal control says like that. What the? Yeah, it's right beside AMS. They got Gerald. It's foreign. They're like vicious.
Yeah, as soon
As he walked in, they just charged him.
he went right for him.
Yeah, that leg was in there, got him. Yeah. Do we know who they belong to? Hey, fool, let me call you right back. I said we got Jimmy's. All right. Yeah, they're trying to get out, like. Hey, LT. Yeah, I got him. Gotta get him.
Just stay there. Watch. Hey, get out the way. We need you to get out of the way.
Okay.
Get out of the way. Right?
I'm good.
Hey, let them know what happened.
Until I got shots fired, I had to destroy one of the dogs.
Hey! Get away. Stay. Everybody stay inside.
100, we had to discharge out another dog.
Hey, who was yelling? You somebody said they were getting attacked over here?
Yeah.
Supposedly somebody got attacked.
Huh?
There was a person walking, he went back.
Yeah, that's his phone down there.
Yeah, headphones on.
The one that got you is the one that I thought. He got out of that fence. He forced himself through there. All right, well, while they're chilled out, I'm gonna go put some gauze on this. Ooh, that stings.
It's out there, and I wonder why. But it still need to be cleaned though.
Yeah.
Your dog? The damn dog. No. You all right, man?
You know something?
Yeah, I'm fine.
She just went to court, and she came in there talking about
So what?
the men.
Yeah.
The dogs were running around in the courtyard in there. Supposedly they had already attacked somebody.
Yeah, that's what someone had called the office and said. But Will is telling. I have Officer Will North. Okay. On the phone, he said.
So y'all,
okay,
but y'all don't know who dogs these are?
Will, you said it was Unit 1116.
Who called about the dogs first?
Come to office. Come down. Yeah. He said he was told Unit 1116. Pet. She hadn't been really staying in that apartment. She did come in there. We have her phone number. We can call if that's the case. If it's 1116, we have her phone number. We can call and ask her.
Okay.
You think these are her dogs?
That's what, I guess that's what the patrol was saying. Can you,
No call.
yeah, get Nikki and see if she access the resident form?
What do you need from the residents? You need her to come down here? You need to contact
We didn't know we need to get in contact
If
with her.
these are her
right now.
dogs, yeah. If these her dogs, we need her. Y'all can't go up through there yet.
Oh, no, there's still 2 out. There's no, hell no. No, yeah, text me the number.
Yep.
That's the dog that bit you right there?
Yeah.
Do we know anything about records on the dog? Do we know anything about the dog? Nope.
No, I don't
Just know he was vicious.
As soon as I came through the gate, he came.
He has one on the back too. That one's worse.
First use of lethal force against an animal. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386 from 1989 force is judged by objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective on scene. A large dog charging at full speed with no time for a lesser option meets the imminent threat threshold courts have consistently upheld. The discharge was legally defensible. Second mandatory Rabies protocol. When an animal bites a human and vaccination status cannot be confirmed, state public health law requires immediate post-exposure prophylaxis, a mandatory injection series over 14 to 28 days. This is not discretionary.
Yeah, buddy. Nice little chunk of him. Hi. You're gonna need to start rabies protocol. You're gonna need to get shots, rabies, tetanus, all that stuff. So, I'm not worried about you bleeding to death, but you definitely got to get that
rabies
today because I don't want it to sit.
Oh, so this her?
Yeah, that's all.
Ma'am, you got your ID information? Let me get your information.
Are you able to actually control her? Yeah. Okay, you need to get that leash and try.
How did they get out, man?
I'm trying to figure that out myself because they was in the living room.
Okay, let's take control of the dogs for now, and then we can proceed. Okay?
Go get a leash. They need to be on a leash. Do not try to call them over here. Okay?
Get them, ma'am. Go on, get them. Get the leash and get them.
Come on, get up.
She said she don't know how they got out the
The
living
door was
room.
open. When I knocked on the door and I just opened the handle, the door was open.
Well, somebody needed to be silent.
They're right there. Get that, ma'am. Put the leash on them. Put the leash on the
I
dog.
understand what you're saying, but I'm looking for my blue dog.
I'll let you know where they're at. Get them under control.
You got your license, ma'am?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get them? Are your dogs up on their shots, rabies shots?
I got papers
Talk
on.
to the captain here.
Oh, they're two containers.
I got papers
You got the paperwork?
on the white one.
That's the only one that has.
Yeah, because the
that's up
other
to
one
date?
she had puppies. She's pregnant.
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Hey, what's your name? Naisha. Hey, do you have a physical copy? The reason is the officer was filmed in. If we don't have proof, then he has to go through rabies protocol, and that's really painful. And this is a bad situation, and I don't want to see it get worse with him having to go through shots he doesn't need. You think we can be able to go find that paperwork?
It's in the house.
All right, you good with her going?
Yeah, she's good.
Are you able to get your hands on it immediately, or you gotta go through the whole
I should be able to. I just need to go in the house and just put my hands on it somewhere in there.
Yeah, because they need that now. If you don't mind grabbing it, you gotta.
I know it's a bad situation, but it's really important for that officer and his family at home.
I understand that, but
Are you being honest with us, ma'am?
being
Do you
complete-
really have the paperwork, or are you just pulling out?
Why would I be?
I'm just
dishonest?
asking because, like he said, it's a dire
That's
situation.
what I'm saying. I'm not being
Okay,
dishonest.
let's go
I
in
said
the
I was
apartment.
going there and
Okay.
grab it. I'm not being dishonest.
Well,
I'm being honest about
Is
everything.
there any
that I'm
more
saying
dogs
to
in the apartment?
you. Only the two that I just brought back in. That's it.
Are they put up?
I gotta put them in the cage.
Okay. Do you have kids in the
That's
apartment?
why I'm asking them because they the only two in there with me.
Okay, so they had to let them out.
So I'm trying to figure out how to get out. I don't know. When you took the trash out, did you door was shut? Yeah. I don't know how they got out. Left somebody came by your house and looking.
Go on, put them up, ma'am, before we go in there. Put them up in the cage.
all day. They've been at home all day. They ain't got out. That is crazy.
Put them in the cage before I go in there. Put them in the cage, ma'am.
I just unlocked the door.
Oh, they are here.
Ma'am, you ready for us?
Okay, I'm trying to get the paper.
Okay.
You said you wanted me to get the paper.
Yeah, you put them up.
Oh, they're in the balcony. Put them on the balcony.
You put the dogs up.
Yeah.
Look right.
You got it?
So the papers are probably right here in my email. Give me a, let me see if this one is right here. Cause I think it might be in the trunk of my car.
How long you been here, man?
A year.
What's the protocol on switching over IDs? Three is it 3 months or less
You get
than that?
60 days. And then you start come.
Established residency.
Y'all from Alabama?
Yeah.
Okay. I remember y'all.
This is the first time I have ever moved to another state.
Okay. You remember me from the summer?
Yeah, I remember you. Yeah.
Did you ever get that taken care of?
You have to talk to him about it because I don't know what he did. I told him to
Isn't
go
that your
do
wife?
it.
Oh, your husband, right?
Yeah, he's my husband. Yes, I told him to go do it.
The one that's standing out there?
Yeah. Let me go to my car and see if it's in the trunk of the car. Cause we were,
What vet do you use?
it was PetSmart. I took him to PetSmart.
You can call PetSmart and tell them to send it
Okay.
to you.
They'll have the record.
I just cannot believe they got out the house. I don't know how they got out the house.
We can start walking back out this way. Ma'am, do you need to lock the door? They ain't gonna be able to open the door, Marty. Lock the door. All that too.
They said the dog go around.
They said they didn't speak to you.
They didn't speak to you. Dog go here. Tommy right there. Queen is right there.
Come on.
They killed Queen.
No, I see her sit down. She's sitting there. She ain't moving.
What?
Do I need to go over here?
I mean, they said they want to talk to you if you can get them under control.
He said he shot two.
He said one shot got away.
I had her since she was a baby.
Ma'am,
What did they do to her?
well, ma'am, it's your responsibility to keep your dogs in check.
But my
So
thing is, they was
we
in the
understand. We
house.
understand you didn't know they was out,
didn't
but
know
it's
they-
not. It's we're not gonna put ourselves at jeopardy because you can't keep your dogs under wraps.
Well, she still living
Let
in
me
there.
go get the papers. I think they're in the trunk of the car.
They gonna let you get
You
off.
should have kept them on the phone in case you couldn't get
it hung
the
up. It
paper.
automatically hung up. That's what I'm saying. The papers, they should be in the car. Everything is mislocated because we're in the process of moving.
Y'all leaving
That's why.
Atlanta?
That's
Yeah,
why my
moving.
papers was
Y'all
in
going
the
back to
car.
Alabama?
So yeah.
She staying down though.
You're not able to find any chance to leave.
She said that it's in the car now.
Hey, big dog. Y'all good at remove them if y'all need to. We already got pictures of the dogs. Whenever y'all ready to remove them, y'all good to go.
Okay. They have to get, cause we ain't got nowhere to put them.
Well,
If they don't take them, it's gonna be on y'all.
Yeah.
They got,
well, they're still the owner's property, so the owner can't take their dog. So she's gonna go speak with the owner,
Okay.
see if they're gonna take the dog. If not,
Okay.
we'll pick the dog up.
Oh, yeah, will? Okay.
If she doesn't have any proof of rabies vaccinations, we're gonna have to take the dog anyway to get tested.
Yeah.
Third apartment entry. Officers entered with the owner's verbal consent, a well-established Fourth Amendment exception under Schneckloth versus Bustamonte, 412 U.S. 218 from 1973. The owner unlocked the door herself. Constitutionally sound. Fourth, warrantless animal seizure. Animals are personal property under the Fourth Amendment, but exigent circumstances, an officer-bitten ongoing public threat, justify immediate seizure. Where vaccination proof is absent, state animal control statutes independently authorize seizure for quarantine or testing. No warrant required. On owner liability. Under the strict liability doctrine, an owner who knows or should know her animal is dangerous bears absolute responsibility for harm caused regardless of whether the escape was intentional. Prior court history, referenced on scene, is an aggravating factor under animal cruelty statutes. The owner was charged with 4 counts of animal cruelty and 1 count of obstruction of justice. The obstruction charge implies conduct during the investigation beyond what this footage captures, and it carries independent criminal weight. The responding officers receive a B+. Force was legally justified, medical response was immediate consent-based entry, was textbook, and de-escalation with the owner was exemplary. One concern, the out-of-state license issue, was identified, but not formally documented a minor but noted accountability gap. The dog owner receives a C. Cooperation during the encounter is noted, but strict liability does not require intent. It requires only that harm occurred, and the owner knew or should have known the risk. Both conditions are met. 4 criminal counts reflect that scope.
Okay.
So,
cool.
just
All
hang
right,
tight
then
real
hold
quick
that
for us.
They were all over there in that corner when I walked through the gate. And the second I was through the gate, he came, full speed, came right at me.
Oh, there was a gaggle of them?
There's 4 of them. Y'all ain't got to do all that. I can walk to the ambulance.
Sure?
Yeah.
No, we got to take you out like this, man. That's it.
You did hear me say I'm going to get the stretcher.
We get the royal treatment. You got to get the royal treatment, right?
Yeah, bro.
Yep. That's it.
First responder and all
We
this.
can't risk another injury.
He put it in the system already. What's this off?
Did you run it yet?
I had.
Okay, I got it.
Man, you want to stand in front of the car real quick, please?
Okay.
3 takeaways. For dog owners, strict liability means good intentions are not a legal defense. Secure confinement and current vaccination records for every animal are legal obligations. For officers, de-escalation produced lawful consent here, keeping the entire investigation on solid constitutional ground. For departments, firearm discharge against an animal carries the same documentation requirements as any other use of force incident. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.